No intro because I'm too excited. I just found this crazy trick for making very unique vocals. Let me show you the difference. This is before the trick.
Bark still wet from the last night's rain.
Sounds good, sounds emo, but it sounds like generic emo. Now, this is after the trick.
I know what they'd say, but something in the way you lean southwest makes every other thing feel far away. I'm in love.
So by the end of this video, you're gonna know a simple little trick that you can do to make your vocals sound more unique and awesome. And the way we're gonna do this is by recording vocals that are in the opposite genre of what song you want to create. I'm going to go to voice, create a voice. I'm going to record, and what I'm gonna do is sing very emo. I'm going to try to do a serious rap song. So let's record. I've got blue stuff inside me. I am just a smurf. We're gonna use voice. Then we're gonna do my verification trick. Flee as the sunrise feels the road. We've made our voice. Let's name it Emo 37 because I've made a lot of emo voices. I'm just gonna assume we're on Emo 37. That sounds like a radio station. Welcome to Emo 37.9. So now we've got an emo song, and I'm going to do a prompt that's in the opposite thing. So we're gonna do like some mumble rap. And just to make that simple, I'm gonna go to the 10,000 Suno prompt ebook by ChillPanic. Comes with 200 genres, 50 prompts per genre, and a descriptor page for every genre. And I just added a bunch of goodies, like a free month to Suno GPT Pro, lyric blueprint that gives you the exact building blocks of how to write a song, and a bunch of my other shit is included now. So if you really want to take it up a notch, click that link. But let's get our mumble rap prompt. Let's get our mumble rap prompt. And yeah, I'll just get this first one and we'll paste that into the styles, and I'll go to prompt for the lyrics, and we'll just say song about hugging everyone you meet, but like in a gangsta way. And I'm gonna do this at the default settings. And then I'm also gonna do a version with the audio influence set to 60% so you can hear it a little bit more pronounced.
But when I see you, I hug you. That's how I greet you. How's it been since the last time I seen you? In the street like I'm waiting for the bus.
See, it's fucking unique. And this is with 60%.
Yeah, you ever hug a guy so hard you could have sworn you broke his back? With the blood flow stop, it turns purple and black. I hug all my homies, my pops and my
I hug all my homies.
hug life. Hug life.
The audio influence is gonna set how unique, interesting, or weird your vocal is. Somewhere between 40 to 60 is probably best for the strongest effect.
I'm living the hug life. This thug would rather give a big bear hug.
And if there's anything else you'd like to know about Suno AI, let me know down in the comments, or I'm gonna make you feel lucky.